Crafting Vicky here with you, and I'm super excited because Your Creative Studio reached out to me and asked if I wanted to get another subscription box from them. And they sent me the April one, and it's supposed to be about art, so I'm very anxious to open this up and check it out. The box is a different format than the typical box that they usually send, so I'm curious to see. Oh, well, they changed it up a bit because they put a box inside a box. Usually it's just the other it's just this box. So yeah, interesting. So this is the April one, and let's check it out, shall we? Okay, so how do I open this up? I want to make sure that I don't destroy the box in the process. And that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm usually better at opening boxes than that. Okay. Oop. Here we go. And one final little tape. Oh, I love their boxes. They're always so amazing. So one beautiful little card with all kinds of little supplies, little paintbrush and things. This should be a really fun box. Okay, so we've got some cling stamps. So let's check out what they are. Oh, so you've got an easel and a gentleman. So there's that. And then this is another cling stamp set, possibly, because there seems to be more than one inside this. So there's paintbrush and a hand with a painting paintbrush. Cute, really fun format, not too big. And then we've got a washi tape. I love their washi. Oh, so it's got paintbrushes. It's a nice salmon type of color. So this is the tape. Very pretty. I like the colors. Okay, so this is some paper ephemera. So you've got, I love how their backing, even their backing is gorgeous. So you've got easels and little tags, little labels, little paintbrush, very pretty little palette. And I love that they're small little embellishments, so if I decide to continue doing some smaller things, I can use one of those, some of these for my my things. Little paintbrush, so fun. I love this, how you can put text on there. Paint tubes, really, really pretty. Wow, really fun. And a lot of them, the pack is quite full. So then put this back in and try not to lose any in the process. And then there's another cling stamp set. And this one has a little palette and then the little brush and the paints. This is Fleeting Notes. So, oh, fun little papers. I like the fact that they're a different type of size than typical. Oh, what are these? Peel the individual stamp from backing, stick to an acrylic block for stamping. Huh. So those are all little cling stamps as well. But look, they're all little brushes and little brush strokes. How cool. Okay, and then we have some little stamps. This is a washi sheet of paint tubes. Whoops, I dropped one of the little ephemera piece. Whoops. And then this, I'm not going to take this out yet because, well, I don't want to remove the twine because it's just so pretty. But it's little paper, and there's like little postcards and things, and then you have the little labels as well. So fun. Okay. Like I said, I don't want to remove the twine yet. And then there's a little pack of ephemera, and that has a little twine. Some of it feels like stickers, like it's a washi sticker. So there's tickets, all sorts of goodies. So travel things as well inside this. And then there's some paper. Oh, and there's more. Wow, this pack is really full. Like, guys, it's really, there's so much in their packs. So again, even the backing is just amazing. I mean, check that out. Gorgeous. You know I'm going to be using that. And then the papers, and there's different types of papers. So this feels thick. It feels like almost a sticker sheet. Yeah, it is a sticker sheet. Beautiful. And they usually have it in different formats. Like this is more, this is paper, but it has a texture to it. And then this is more thin paper. And then you have the transparent vellum type of paper. So cool. Very, very cool. So there's that. And then finally, there's one more. Oh, I dropped another one. How many did I drop out of this little thing? How did I manage to drop all of these? I don't know. So, and finally there's this here, which has more little stamps and things, but the backing is a postcard. How cool. And check out all the little stamps. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Really, really fun. So I believe I will be using these in upcoming something. I'm not sure yet for the month of September what I'm gonna do, but the size of the ephemera would be perfect to do something small, which is something that I've been really enjoying. So yeah, well, I want to thank very much Your Creative Studio for wanting to do this collaboration again with me. I love their stuff. So pretty, and yeah, it's like such a thrill to have all these little goodies. It's like Christmas, getting a little Christmas gift for yourself. So I hope you go and check it out. You will find in the description box below the link to them. And yeah, it's just beautiful little things. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I will see you all very soon. Love you. Take care. Bye.